guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys know by the title and the thumbnail, today I'm going to create a beautiful everyday look using only 3 products. This is not a challenge for me. This is something I do every single day whenever I go out. So I really like using these 3 products. So this will be a very short video, but you can learn a lot of things from this video. If you want to see how I use these products to do a full face of makeup, then please keep on watching. First thing today I will be using is a lipstick, and I will be using my Sugar Click Me Up Velvet lipstick in the shade Spicy Salmon. So I have already talked about this on my Sugar Cosmetics video, so if you haven't checked it out, please go ahead and check it out. I really love this and I would highly recommend this shade and this particular lipstick to you guys. So first I am going to apply this on my lips. What you have to do is just click it up 2 to 3 times and the lipstick comes out. So the lipstick is done. Now I'm going to use this on my cheeks for my blush and on my eyes as an eyeshadow. Little bit on the chin and the nose. Then I'm going to blend it with my fingers. So the next step is applying a highlighter, and I absolutely love this, and if you guys own this, you guys would know why I love this so much. This is an absolutely stunning highlighter, and this is the YBP Color Cream X Shreya Jain. This is in the shade Goddess. So how I apply this? I take a little bit on my index finger, just this much, and with another index finger I like to massage it and warm it up a little bit, and then just apply it as my highlighter. I like to also apply this under my eyebrow, little bit on the nose and little bit on the chin as well, and you can see the glow. I absolutely love this. I'm also going to take it just a little bit on the inner corner. And the last product I will be using is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. I know I didn't like this as much. I like my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, but I don't have the Maybelline Waterproof Lash Sensational Mascara. The one I have is non-waterproof, so I want something waterproof. So I have been using this constantly because it's rainy days and I don't want my mascara to come off. Now mascara is done. I'm going to take this wand and just comb my brows upwards. Look at the difference, you guys. Wow. So guys, that's it. This is the finished look. Let me know if you like this or not. And this is also the updated everyday makeup routine, and this is exactly what I do. I don't like using foundation concealers on everyday basis. So I am going to mention the product details and their links down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. If you like this video and find it helpful, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.